What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So this week we really didn't have a whole lot going on, so we didn't really have a video for this week. So I guess I will go ahead and do a Titan update real quick. So I know we've been kind of slacking on the Titan content recently. We're just trying to get the Mustang done, which I'm still waiting for a bunch of parts for. I ordered a bunch of aftermarket stuff, trying to figure out what we're going to do with the heads and whatnot. So that video will be out, or an update on the Mustang will be out shortly. But in the meantime, I guess we can go over some things that we've done and have gotten for the Titan. So the first major thing, which I've been looking for forever, I got a topper, finally. So I ended up finding a guy on Facebook that had a topper. Hang on a second, there's people in a go-kart driving by, or in a golf cart. Anyways, so like I was saying, I was cruising around on Facebook Marketplace and found that it's actually not green. It looks very close, but it's kind of off. This is actually a gray, and this is actually a green. Let me see if I can go on the other side real quick, and you might be able to tell a little bit better in the sun. There we go. So yeah, this one's gray, green. Funny story, actually. The guy I bought it from actually had this topper painted this color green. Oh, there you go, now you can really tell. This color green, the green of my truck. So some guy was supposed to buy it, and I guess he had it painted, and the guy who's gonna buy it, his truck was gray. So it's kind of funny, but the original color was green. I ended up picking it up for fairly cheap. Didn't come with keys, which I just ordered, and they came in a couple of days ago. But still needs some work. Needs to be cleaned out. It doesn't have little sliding windows. The gas shocks actually work, which surprises me. But I haven't had a chance to really clean it yet, or not really well. But I discovered that it actually has like a little recessed portion, and I guess all of that is hollow in the center. So what I was kind of thinking about doing, and it looks like he had some type of like roof rack system on there, which there's no holes in the top, so it looks like he had that filled when he painted it. I thought about putting in like truck rock lights and just do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then have like a wire come down and then tap in, because we ended up using this the other night to pick up stuff for Anthony's Focus, which will be another video. And it's kind of hard to see in the dark. There's no lights back here or anything, so you're trying to get stuff out of here and you can't really see anything. But besides that, topper's in actually really decent shape. When I get the truck painted eventually, I'll get it painted, obviously. I do want to find some type of roof racks for this, so I can take my kayak and whatnot places. But yeah, it's a pretty good deal. I ended up giving him my trifold that I had in the back of the truck, and he knocked a pretty significant amount of money off of the price of the topper. So there's that. Let's see, what else? Oh, I ended up installing a dash cam. So I actually got a dash cam for Christmas. I get a full review coming on that as well. But I ended up just running the wire from here, took this A-pillar off, and then ran the wire underneath, and then it pops out like underneath the glove box area, kind of around there. So I may or may not hardwire it, I don't know yet, but we'll go into more detail about that on that video. I apologize, the truck's kind of dirty because I've been using it. I ended up emptying out the back seat, kind of. I've got tools, caster camber plates, tow stuff, Anthony's bottles that he never took out. But yeah, there's the back of the truck. Actually, this is, I forgot this was back here. This is actually a Tervis cup from the showcase last May, which I was supposed to give to somebody. I actually have another one of those, but it's just been living in the back of the truck. So, besides that, the floor mats that we did a video on, these things are freaking awesome. I love them. They keep the floor nice and clean. GoPro or the Canon batteries I just changed. I'm still looking for one of these trim pieces in a junkyard. I really don't want to spend freaking $200 on one, but just every time I go to the junkyard, they're either destroyed or already gone. So I actually still have this to do. I have a new leather piece that I gotta coat that. Oh, I'll show you the little rip over here. So my driver's seat decided it wanted to rip. So it's showing a little bit of wear here, but this ended up ripping. So I'll probably stitch this back up with something kind of close to that color, and then just put seat covers back on. I just don't want to get these seats too nasty, just for the fact that we use this truck all the time for junkyard runs and whatnot. Besides that, the truck's doing pretty well. I actually ended up getting these AC vent pods from the junkyard because mine, I don't know if you can tell or not, it's cracked there, cracked there. This one works, but the other one doesn't. I'll show you the other side real quick. So, you know, Nissan plastic is terribly brittle and kind of terrible. This broke, so this doesn't go up and down. I mean, if you hold it this way, it'll go. And then a chunk somehow ended up out of here. I don't know how that happened. I do have those. We'll probably do a video on how to do that at some point. What else? Everything else is good. I ended up finding these LED fog light things at the junkyard, which I already have the cubes in, so I don't really need those. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Let's see, what else? Oh, the tensioner pulley started squeaking, so I'm assuming the bearings are probably going out on that. So we'll be doing that eventually. I'll probably just buy a bearing and press it myself since I have a press. What else? Oh, the trim. While I was at the junkyard as well, I ended up getting a new, let's see, uh-oh. There we go, we're back. I ended up getting a new trim piece. See how this is all ripped and whatnot. I got one of those to put on. I got a new front bumper for when we paint the truck. That doesn't have a big old dent here, and the chrome is really nice, as well as bumper caps, because this one, I don't know what happened there. My father owned this truck before I did, and he either hit something or ran over something, or something came up and hit it. I don't know. So there's that. The headlights still, these need a little bit of polishing. I don't know if you can really see. They're much better than the old ones. Obviously we're still going to repaint the truck at some point. Just the whole Mustang project kind of killed that. But besides that, I think that's about it. There we go. So there's your little truck update, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps us out. We're at the point where we're actually kind of making money now. Not much, but it's a start. So if we get to a point where we can start bringing enough money in for a small shop, that would be awesome, because we have a bunch of builds that we want to do which we don't have space for. So yeah, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure you hit the notifications bell on the side so you can get notified when we post new videos. And let us know what else we should do to the truck, or any other common problems you want us to go over. So we'll see you next time. Bye.